Hello, everyone. Welcome to your second week of virtual learning. I wanted to walk you guys through what I expect for you guys for this week. It is all laid out in your assignment, but I want to just kind of make sure that you understand how to get to all of these resources. We're starting a new unit. We were supposed to continue with code.org and do circuit boards, but obviously doing distance learning, it makes it a little just sort of really impossible for us to continue with our code.org curriculum. So what I have found for us is actually a website, CodeHS. And through CodeHS, we're going to do a unit on virtual reality, which should be a lot of fun. It's going to be a new platform for us, and I think you guys will enjoy it, I hope. It's my first time using the curriculum, so we'll kind of learn and navigate through it together. But I think it's going to be a good resource since we're not in class together. We obviously can't work in small groups and do peer editing and peer review and some of those things that we have become comfortable using in our classroom. So what I want to walk you through is how to get to the different resources. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Canvas course. Once you're in your Canvas course, looks like this. You're going to go into assignments. There's really two different parts to the assignment this week. I want you to go ahead and start with getting started and click that. And you're going to see there are two different links. These are the links that I had sent out 2 weeks ago asking you guys to join and sign up for free accounts with. If you're in third period, you would click this one. If you were in fifth period, you would click this link right here. There are a few of you that have done it. I'm going to go ahead and click it so you can see what that looks like. And it's going to look something like this. We are working in Unit 1, Chapter 1, which is called What is VR? So that's going to be where you go for that. I'm going to go back into Canvas and show you one more thing. It says Unit 1 VR. What is VR? Open the link document, follow the directions, adding your answers and notes in red or green font. Save your document and upload it to this assignment. So if we click this right here, that's just going to open the document and show you what it looks like. It guides you through the entire chapter. And what you need to do is to click it and you need to save this document. So you're going to see here it's going to come up Save File. And you can decide where you want to save that. Do you want to save it in cloud, desktop, documents, downloads? I'm going to keep it in downloads. Once it's done downloading, you can open that document up like this. There are 3 warm-up questions. So you want to go ahead and add in, you want to change your font color to red or green. I'll go ahead and make it red. And this is where you type. When you're all done, you'll do File, Save As, and then you'll save it somewhere in your computer. Right? Oh, it doesn't want to save it. Okay, let me save it on my desktop. I have the document saved already somewhere else. Didn't want to do that. And then you should be able to upload it. So hopefully that walks you through how to do that. You should be able to submit. This isn't open yet, but once the assignment is open, you'll see where to submit. All right, so the other part is, if we go back into assignments, it says virtual learning 1.1. This is actually a discussion. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to reply to this discussion question. It's actually a 2-part question. And those are your assignments for the week. So hopefully you are doing well. If you have any questions at any time, you can reach me on Remind. You can reach me on email, billy.dollins@browardschools.com. You can even reach me through the inbox over here on the left side of Canvas and send me a message that way as well. But please don't hesitate if you're struggling or have any questions as you move along. I hope you guys have a good day. I really, really miss you. I'm sorry we didn't get to complete our apps, and I'm really sorry that we're not getting to do circuit boards, but we're going to try to continue to learn some new things as we go. I think the next unit is going to be about cybersecurity, and I think that would be really a cool way to kind of end the year if we're not together. So be well and be safe, and hopefully I see you virtually soon. Bye.